Here is my morning routine. Let's start. I turn off my alarm. Now you repeat. I turn off my alarm. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. Repeat with me. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. Repeat with me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat with me. I wash my face. I put on my clothes. I
Put on my
put
clothes.
on my clothes. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces. I pour my coffee. I pour my coffee. I toast my bread. Now repeat. I toast my bread. I slice a banana. I slice a banana. I spread the butter. I spread the butter. I pack my bag. Repeat with me. I pack my bag. I check my phone. Now you repeat. I check my phone. I fill my water bottle. I fill my water bottle. I zip my jacket. Now you repeat. I zip my jacket. I lock the door. Now you repeat. I lock the door. I take the stairs. I take the stairs. I wait for the bus. Now you repeat. I wait for the bus. I tap my card. Now you repeat. I tap my card. I find my seat. I find my seat. I look out the window. I look out the window. I plug in my earphones. I plug in my earphones.